All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 9, which is one of the Giannis graded cards. So we'll check the time, February 18th at 10:00. Let's let this roll over here to 10:09 a.m. I'm going to go over to, what am I doing here, the break, and type live. We have February 18th at 10:09 a.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. There we go. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Brittany. Spot 2 is our winner. So, Brittany, whatever we pull out of break number 9 tonight is yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, February 18th, 10:09 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.